Well, basically, this is State of Motion 2017. The theme for this year is Through Stranger Eyes. I think what you find quite strongly here is a certain ode to cinema and the many definitions of cinema.
So the whole idea is also for people to get an immersive experience, so to speak. So when they go through the exhibition and then they experience the artwork, they will also see and feel, what exactly the artist is trying for them to experience.
So this year we have 5 film locations. We have 6 artists responding to the 5 locations.
Hey, honey, what are you drinking?
Good evening, gentlemen. Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, Sonny.
Welcome to Singapore.
I'm ready for a night out. Heels on, lipstick pretty. Go down to Boogie.
And I think that's what's beautiful about this project. It brings together the literary works, it brings together artworks and film, makes people think and maybe question a little bit about how we view, our current issues and challenges.
Tiger's Whip. Black Magic.
What you see here basically is this idea that films are these condensations of imagination that are very much like dreams.
But if the film goes well, you will make all the money.
ワンさんは海南島出身である。同郷の多くの知人や仕事仲間のつてを頼って彼は早くもビーチロード284番地のある会社に